G'day guys, I'm going to make a simple chicken dish here. In a frying pan here I've got a quarter of a red onion, red and green bell peppers, a bit of garlic. Now I've added some chicken mince here which I've seasoned myself. I've already got some herbs and spices, but I will add some more. Now I'm going to cook this down. Now the spices I've put in this is sweet paprika, ground cumin, a little bit of coriander, a little bit more garlic, and I'm going to put some lemon juice, a little bit of soy sauce and some hot sauce, and we'll fry this all off. And you can see that there, I'm just mixing it up. I'm doing a voiceover because the fan was too loud. Now I've put some lemon juice there. I've added some little bit of hot sauce, so I just cook this off for a little bit more, and you'll see here. Now I did put some sour cream. Anyway guys, there's the finished dish there. Absolutely out of this world, Lyric. And she loves me saying that, but now I did fry some tortillas just in a dry frying pan. Get yourself some tortillas, chuck them on a medium heat, fry them off a little bit on each side. This is you can serve this up with rice, pasta, whatever you want. It's, you can make tacos out of this. This is my recipe, so absolutely delicious.